Hey, welcome to Obvious Edge, and today is going to be the part 6 to the spoiler build, and hopefully we get it on the car today. Now I got a lot of the foam out, and so I'm gonna start filling it up with fiberglass and resin. Ton of resin in there dry. Yeah, I'll just let that dry and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back on the spoiler after a couple hours of drying, and this is like filled all the way, as you can tell, up to like there, and this is definitely solid. That is not moving. So now I'm just gonna cover this up, and then this will be finished, and then I'll sand off the bottom and everything. Then on this side, I still got to continue putting more sheets on the top so this won't wobble or anything. And then I gotta make the point, and then sanding and then painting is the last of the spoiler. as you can see, I put a ton of resin in there because this one was the weaker one, and I'm waiting for this to dry too, which actually it's almost dry, but I will be waiting on that to dry and this definitely. And so yeah, it's heating up, but yep, once I get it up to here with more fiberglass, then I will be able to sand off the top of that one and this one too, and then finally make the point to the spoiler. I have a ton of other carbon fiber or fiberglass underneath this layer, and this is just the top layer, all one piece, so it is all just connected. And then I did the same thing on the other side, and that will just finish everything off. And I barely put any hardener in there, so I could save some for later on. So I will let this dry overnight, and then we'll get to part 7, I think, or 6, I forget. Okay, so that's the end of part 6, and hopefully you liked it, and yeah, that'll be the end of this episode. And so please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.